Hello guys, welcome to Arvind 2011. Guys, today we're going to do the unboxing of the newest Huawei laptop, the Huawei MateBook X. And also I will tell all its features and why you should buy it. On the outside only, it has a very clean cover. When you open it, here's the laptop. The laptop is around like 1 kg or less than that. And here's the charger and everything. So there's a cover. Let's remove it in a second. Done. And let's open it. Done. Now let me tell you its feature. This keyboard, this laptop has very soft keys and very smooth. Guys, I'm not joking. This is one of the most smoothest keys that I've ever clicked in my life. Also, this touchpad is one of a unique touchpad. Like there's no buttons in a touchpad as usual. You can't do anything with this touchpad unless you on the computer. It's if you have a kid that smashes things, it will be very safe to do it. This laptop doesn't break that fast. And one more thing, a thing that I've never would have expected: a fingerprint ID. Yes, you heard me right. A fingerprint ID. The scanner is right here in the on button. When I bought this computer, I also got this free mouse with it. This mouse is as good as the Microsoft Surface Book mouse. Which you got it from the My Surface Book 2. Overall, guys, I think this is a very good laptop. One of the best laptops that I've ever seen in my life. The generation is getting more and more advanced. If you're planning to buy a new computer or laptop, I recommend you guys buying the new Huawei MateBook X. Thank you guys, that's all for today. See you next time.